The fastest way to make 10K a month as a teenager in 2024. My name's Jason Wojo, and after taking over 6,000 sales calls in my life, I'm here to tell you the #1 skill that will make you 10K a month faster than ever before, and it is sales. Maybe you've tried other businesses, you've tried SMMA, you've tried affiliate marketing, you've tried selling a course, you've tried doing coaching, you've tried all these things. Maybe you even had a brick and mortar that recently closed down. Whatever it looks like for you, you're looking to make 10K a month. With the most retention-based cash flow, sales is the answer. Every single day, my sales guys have 10 to 15 calls, and they're able to close 1 to 2 of them. Because of that, they're able to make 10K a month or more. One of my, best sales guys, his biggest month with us is 19 grand, and it's because he's in high ticket sales. Being able to sell high ticket packages and getting inbound leads from people who want to buy what you are selling, and simply telling them more about the product and selling them and handling objections. Now, there's a lot of things about sales that you do need to learn. It's not the thing you just wake up and be like, hey, I'm good at sales, I can close for a high ticket entrepreneur. No. You have to learn a couple things in order to really get the most out of sales. #1 is you got to find a mentor for sales. You have to learn that from some of the best in the industry. That could be Brad Lee, that could be Andy Elliott, that could be, one of my friends, Ambro, that could be a ton of other names that I could list. You got to find somebody in the sales niche who knows what they are doing or can provide you with training and, call reviews and etc. You need that person to hold you accountable what you're doing right and what you're doing wrong. Also, to add to that list, Jeremy Miner, very good at sales, okay? Second thing you understand is human psychology. So reading a couple of books about human psychology that are going to make you realize how people act, why people make decisions, how to pre-frame people better, preconceived notions, all of that will dictate how the sale actually turns out. 3, you need to understand that sales, you are a therapist. You're simply listening to what people tell you, regurgitating it back, and then providing the next solution. And that's what sales is all about. It's being that therapist. When you talk too much on a sales call, you lose the sale. And just to give you context on why this is the easiest model, you can go to high ticket entrepreneurs like myself, some of my friends, and my network, and they're gonna have extra leads that they're not able to touch. You could come into their business and sell $3,000, $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 packages and get a 5, 10, 15% commission on it. If you are selling a 10K program and you get $1,500, you just gotta sell literally 6 to 7 of those a month. So you could work only 6, 7 days the entire month and make 10K per month. It is easy when you have inbound leads, and most high ticket entrepreneurs like myself, we have tons of leads come to the door every single day who wanna go to my events, who want to buy our high ticket services, who wanna do one-on-one with me. They are ready to sell, and you need to find where those people are, because salespeople are the hardest thing to hire right now, just because of #1 is most salespeople have an ego, and it's hard for them to really be wrapped around learning new systems. #2 is that salespeople get easily distracted because they're joining companies that don't have good cultures, good environments, good offerings, good products, good fulfillment, good reviews, and it turns them to go to the next company. You gotta find an authentic and compassionate company to actually do sales for that has a good service and back end, because if they start doing refunds or chargebacks, it's gonna come out of your check. So these are just things that I want you to understand. Like, you could go do an SMMA, you could go be a copywriter, you can go be an affiliate marketer, but if you just have to get one person to say yes and make 2 grand real quick, it's the fastest way to make 10K a month. Selling solar door to door, window washing, roofing, these are high ticket sales positions, high ticket coaching, high ticket masterminds. Anything that's over 10 grand plus can make you a lot more money faster. And they're higher quality people who are on the phone because they know how much it is. There's not much objections. When it's cheaper stuff, there's more objections and clients don't know how to make a decision. So doing sales is the fastest way to make 10K per month, and I can't stress that enough. So I appreciate you guys tuning into today's video. Hope you got value. We are currently hiring for salespeople and appointment setters. If you are interested, email me, jason@thewojomedia.com, and I will see you in the next video.